Today I will show you that how you can convert the PDF file to the JPG. So like in my case, I will show you a PDF file like you can see. So in my case, this is the PDF file whom I want to convert into the JPG. So for this process, you will have to open your Chrome browser here and simply type here I love PDF. And after searching the I love PDF in the search field, you'll have to appear I love PDF official website. So simply open the website and here you got all of the options to convert the file types. So simply choose the option like PDF to JPG. So here it is the option to convert the PDF file to JPG. So simply click on this option. And here we have to select the PDF file. So I'm selecting this PDF file to convert it to JPG. So again, you will have to click on this section like convert to JPG. So simply click on this. Okay, so PDF has been converted to JPG images. So to download the images, you will have to click on this. Download the JPG images. Okay, so the images are downloaded through zip files. So now we have to extract them. So simply right click and here you have to extract all. Enter. Okay, so I have extracted the PDF file to the JPG. So likewise, you can also convert the PDF file to the JPG on your laptop. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon there. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.